We're about to get real in the toilet, living life RV style. Woo! This is a simple process. Put a towel down. We've got a leak right here. You can see it's leaking, a little drippy drip. So we need to get this taken care of. Not really that big of a deal. Well, we just need to take this off right here. It's relatively simple. I was very, very surprised at how simple this was. What it says as far as simplicity. You're gonna have a little bit of water runoff. No biggie, it's kind of normal. You're gonna have that, nothing you can do about it. Then you gotta snip this one off because there's no way around it. Of course, it comes with everything you need to put it back on. So take that off. Very simple like that. To unscrew, 2 screws. Feel the screw there. See, there's the screw. Right there's the screw. You take that screw out. And there's usually a screw right up here. But there's not a screw in there. Get you a little screwdriver like this, little one. There it is, screw. There is a part right there. So this is what we're changing. Because this is what's freaking broke. There it goes right there. That's the old one. I'm gonna put this, I gotta put this back on the tube. Because when you put this back in, goes right in there like that. Shove it right up in there. Absolutely what we needed. Take a little screwdriver and screwy. No leaks. No leaks. Pinch right back in there. Locked in. Very simple. Put the screw back in there. Boom. And that's how you do it, folks. All done. It only took just a couple minutes. Wasn't hard at all. So next time you have a problem with the toilet, just go buy a part. It don't cost that much. It's like 40 bucks at the camper place. But if you get it online, you can probably get it for about $25. Anyway, very easy fix. Living life RV style. Fix your stuff if you can. Save a few bucks. I'll see you later. Woo!